So I think it's really important to document Latinx stories because their stories haven't been elevated or told in the same way as other communities who also help to develop and sustain this region. So the lab essentially is a place where storytelling can occur, and that happens in a lot of different ways. So through official interviews, through book talks where people are writing or incorporating oral histories into their work. It's also a place for visual expression because we also want to visually represent the stories that people are telling. It's also a place where students can convene. We use a space for a lot of our student groups, and then we also use it as a space of collaboration.
Well, the College of Integrative Sciences and Arts, CISA, is really focused on applied learning. For us, when we train students, we make sure that the work that they are doing is directly hands-on, applied, and will build skill sets towards a future. We believe that oral history as a practice has many of these built-in skill sets, the ability to publicly speak and engage with diverse communities. They have to read carefully, so they're learning critical thinking skills and detailed organization because project management is core to oral history. And so these are all skill sets that students can take no matter what career field they're pursuing. To the donors out there, know that your contributions are going to be impacting student development and growth, and know that they are going to support the collaboration with community-centered learning outcomes.
For someone making a gift on Sun Devil Giving Day to support the lab, I would say to you, first and foremost, thank you for thinking of us, and you're ensuring that those voices of Latinx Arizona continue to be told, preserved, and treasured.